Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another item for our December 13th, 2023 online auction. We use the auction site there, bcsurplus.com. This is a government surplus vehicle or equipment. As you can see, it's a 2013 Case 590 Super N backhoe loader with a bucket. Rear bucket. We usually sell them here without a rear bucket, but this one came in with the bucket. Anyways, the vibrating you hear, I think, is just this plate. Just a second, let me just do this. Yeah, I think it's that plate right there. Oh, this one right here, there you go. Anyways, I am just gonna put the camera down here on the tripod, and then I'm going to climb inside and kind of put this thing through its paces for you. Just trying to remember how to use this tripod. There we go. So yes. So this is surplus from one of the local municipalities here in the Lower Mainland. I'll just kind of climb inside. It's been sitting up in the air like that for probably about 15 minutes. And it is idling right now. I will just pop inside and just kind of go through and you know, use the loader and whatnot, and let you take a look and see how it's operating. I hope this looks good, because the screen on the GoPro, of course, shuts off. So Okay, now I'll just kind of give you a little bit of a tour of the machine. Of course, government surplus, so very well maintained. Let me go through here. The key, the only issue I seem to find is that the key, it doesn't seem to be a case key, so it's a little bit difficult to operate in the ignition. I'll show you that in a sec. Here we go. Here it says 2012 on the registration. Sorry, it said 2013 on the registration, but there's the VIN number there. 2012 is the manufacture date. Super N. Paint's kind of peeling all off the hood there. We don't try the lights and stuff like that. We don't go through and test everything, of course, because, you know, we're auction company. We're not you know, operators. So the wear plate on the digging, or the fine edge or final edge on the bucket here seems to be worn fairly close. Needs to be probably replaced. But overall, front tires appear to be in good condition. Rear tires appear to be better condition. You know, they've got quite a lot of depth on them. Everything seems to operate as required. Storage bin there does have a few accessories, couple of extra pins and whatnot. Pads are in good shape. Only reason I mentioned that the pads are in good shape is because we're also selling some extra pads in the sale here from the same location. And now I'll pop inside. So you know, it is used, so you know there is some wear on the seat. And here you can see the key. It's just kind of looks like a regular Dodge key, so you do have to wiggle it a little bit to get it to work. See, oh, there we go there. All the lights get illuminated there. They all seem to go off once it's started. 8,574.8 hours. There you go, fired right up. So all your controls, everything seems to operate in the back. And again, like I said, we don't test things like you know, air conditioning, you know, wipers and all that. Forward, reverse. There's your controls, washer fluid. So yes, so this is selling to the highest bidder on December 13th, 2023. That is a government surplus and estate auction. There's a couple of pieces of equipment, and I think there's about 8 or 9 vehicles in total. Maybe a small equipment trailer, and then a whole bunch of lots of tools and equipment, and then of course this machine. Hope you get another buy-by auction, because the highest bid wins.